Hi guys, so today I am going to be doing a review on these jellies. Somebody commented down below on, I said, I've ordered American candy, so I'm going to be doing an American candy taste test, so somebody obviously from America or something, because if you are in Ireland, these are like in every shop. Yeah. So they told me to taste these. Now I haven't tasted these yet. So yeah. So okay. So let's look at the packaging on the back. That's just, it has a little cute dinosaur and stuff like that, and it's called the Natural Confectionery Co. Okay, and it's called Dynamic. So okay, let's give it a try. So it has been opened already. I haven't tried them. It's just been opened for the video. So what color will I try? I like pink. So it's supposed to be a dinosaur. It kind of just looks like a squiggle. Okay, so okay, so if you live in Ireland, there's these jellies called jelly snakes. They're made by the same company, and they're actually quite nice. They kind of taste like, jelly snakes kind of come in like flavors, as obviously, because you know snakes. But yeah, they kind of taste like. I'll try another one here. Don't have too many, so I'll just. This looks more like a dinosaur. Wait now. There. So okay, I tried this one. This is a pink one. Yeah, that's good. It's better than the red one. Kind of tastes like pink lemonade. So I have ordered some American candy, so hopefully that will come in a few days, and I will be doing a taste test video on that. But what I want you guys to do from the USA is I want you to comment down below on what are the most popular candies in your country. So I've been to the US like a few times, like twice. No, 3 times. And I only got to try the candies like Hershey's and I tried Twinkies, and I tried what did I try? Lemon heads, I think they were called. Anyway, so that's what I want you guys to comment your country's most popular candy and stuff that you guys like. So okay, so oh yeah, just to tell you guys, I got a new watch. I actually got it as a present off my friend, and it is really nice. It is an ice watch, and I really love it, and it's white, so you can wear it with most things. So yeah, so I really like it. So Hope you guys liked my video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Okay, bye.